And on the question of judgment, Julie, Julie, you suspect that your son, who's 19, is gay. Now, you just suspect that. Have you broached the subject with him?
Yes, well, I have tried to bring this up a few times, hinting at it, but he's never confirmed the subject.
What gives you the feeling that he's gay?
His social media pages,
Okay.
the people he spends time with.
Yeah.
You
You sound rather upset about it as well. I would just try and be straightforward. I think so often we bring our own complex feelings and history about this subject. Just try saying to him, you know, I see you've got a lot of gay friends on social media. Are you gay? And if so, that would be fine. I mean, would it be fine by you? Can you cope with that?
Of course. It just upsets me who doesn't.
She just wants to know.
Yeah, exactly. So I think that would be absolutely fine, that what's really important is I love you, I'm your mum, I will always love you. There's an organisation, though, called Families and Friends of Lesbians and Gays Flag. They're absolutely brilliant to help people in exactly that situation. So
Julie,
have a word with them.
good luck.
They're on our website.
I hope you get an answer to what you're after. And if it's any consolation to those of you who phone in, and Deidre will take more calls off air.
I will.
That you're far from alone in this very complex subject.